Today, I'm going to bust some myths about a Swift hot water system, what goes wrong with them, anodes, valves, everything. First one up is, does a Swift hot water system have an anode? Answer is, yes it does. It looks like this. It is behind the cold water inlet at the bottom. Unscrew that. One of these will be in behind it. Do you have to replace it? Generally, no. Unless you've used bore water or really dirty water in your system, you never have to replace this at all. Another thing is, if these fittings break, where can I get them? John Guest elbow with a brass thread is your replacement for them. Another thing is my pressure relief valve is leaking constantly, not on pump, just on mains water, leaking out from underneath. So that will be, do I replace my pressure relief valve? Generally, no. First thing to try is your pressure reducing valve on your main inlet on the van, as this reduces it to 350 to 400 kPa. Anything higher than that, these pressure relief valves are only rated for 700 kPa. If it's higher than that, they will leak regardless. Now, if it's happened to make a big banging sound or it just shudders, one of these. Now, if it has leaked, but it's leaking out of this black bit now, then you will need to replace this, because you can't just buy that separately. So what happens when it builds up pressure, there's a little O-ring in there, it blows the O-ring out and it can't reseal, so you'll need a new one. Apart from that, that's your Swift hot water system.